This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, a navigation system, traction control and stability control systems, 9 strategically placed speakers, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a multi-function display, cruise control, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Phil Long Ford of Denver is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 7887 West Tufts Avenue in Denver.